Gold Coast University Hospital, we do a lot of innovative treatments of problems with the brain and mainly the blood vessels in the brain. So ruptured blood vessels, which are mainly brain aneurysms or vascular malformations. The other treatment that we're able to do is patients who present with stroke. We're able to, again, via the wrist or the groin, navigate devices up into the brain and remove that clot and restore blood flow. We've got a great relationship with many of the leading device companies around the world. We're fortunate that we get access to the latest products as they become available worldwide.
We get supplied data in CT, scan or MRI form. Now, and we have to turn that into something that, that basically can be 3D printed. We've got to look at the right process to create these 3D printed aneurysm files. There are many, many different technologies.
These blood vessels are only 1, 2, 3 millimetres in diameter.
We need extremely high resolution. These things are very small and we want to keep them as faithful as possible to the actual geometry of the person's body. Of course, in the body there's a blood pressure and there's a pulse, so we have to replicate that as much as we can.
We get a lot of doctors coming from overseas, mainly Asia Pacific countries, who come and watch us working at Gold Coast University Hospital, but we also run workshops with 3D printed models where we're able to train them on the latest techniques and the latest devices. Through our experience, with over 1,000 excellent cases that we're able to then show and teach other training doctors on what they need to do. They're literally able to repair every case that we've ever repaired using the 3D model. What we really would like to do with the Health and Knowledge Precinct is marry the clinical excellence of this hospital with the 3D printed models, which first in world, like they're nothing better, and then marry that together with a dedicated training facility. It's game changing, and look, we got an amazing team. The guys who head up the 3D printing, we've had a great relationship for a number of years now, and they're really receptive to what our clinical requirements are, and they bring to the table just world-leading excellence in 3D printing.
It's a privilege to be involved with these people. They're so incredibly professional. There are many other procedures that are just kind of waiting for this kind of focus.
It won't be very far off, I don't think, that we'll be able to actually print bespoke devices to reconstruct blood vessels inside the brain, and for that matter, other parts of the body.